Hello everyone, welcome to Nihira Techiees. This is our Angular 13 tutorial part 6 video. So in this video we are going to talk about Angular model. First let me explain what is Angular model. So Angular model is the place to group the different components, directives, pipes and service for the particular application. So let me see the diagram first. So just to consider this user authentication is the one of the model. So this model has the different functionalities like login, register and reset password and also the forget password. For the individual functionalities, I am going to create the separate component, but it all are get grouped in the user authentication. That means one biggest feature was there in the application. We are creating as the small functionalities, we are creating the components, but the end all are get grouped as the model. So when we are creating the Angular application, defaultly we have the app model, and also based on the requirement, we can create our custom models also. Okay, great. This is the defaultly created the app model. This app model is like reacting as the root model. So every model is created using the ng model decorator, and the default we have the ng model and the browser model was there. And if you are creating any new model, you have to import it and you have to mention in the import side. If you see here, one app routing model was there. This is for the routing. So while creating the application, if you are choosing the routing, it will defaultly added. And if you are doing manually also, you definitely need to add in this place. The same way, if you are creating any component, this component also for the particular model, so you have to import it and you have to mention in the declaration part. Then only we can access this particular component. The same way, if you are adding any forms like a reactive forms or a template driven form, whatever it is, you just import the forms here. After that only we can use. So this is all about the model. So let me explain how to create one model. For creating any model, we have the Angular CLI command ng generate then model m, and I'm going to create model for authentication. So model is auth model. So the model is generated. So the ng model and the common model was there. Now I'm going to create one component for this particular model. So ng generate component, and I'm going to create for this auth model. So let me name it as auth, and my component name is register. Okay, it's created. The same way I'm going to create one more component is for login. If I'm not mentioning the folder name, it will create for the app model. So app model is the default one. So I'm mentioning the folder name auth. Then I'm going to give the component name. Okay, great, it's added. So mistakenly added one more model. So let me create the component ng generate component, and this is for the auth. So my component name is login. Okay, done. So our new component is created. Now let me go to the auth model. If I see here, the register component and the login component both are gets imported and added in the declaration. Now I'm trying to access this component in the app model, but it's directly I'm unable to access. So I already explained in the our component video clearly. So anyway, I'm trying to explain here itself also. So first let me go here and getting the selector name app.login. Now I am coming here. Okay, fine. Let me see the output. So it's saying app login is not a known element. So first let me register this login model, not an. First let me register this auth model in the our app model. For that I need to import here. So our model is available in the auth folder. This is all about auth model. So let me add the class here, auth model. And the model we have to import it here. Okay, done. One part is we completed. Next I'm going to add the component. For that I'm going to the auth model. So in the auth model I need to export the component. Okay, fine. For export, first I'm going to export the login component. Okay, see, the login works. That means we are accessed the login component in the app component. So the similar way we can create the number of models and we can use in our application. So still if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box. And also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, like and share to your friends. Thank you. In our next video, we are going to talk about the event binding. Thank you.